Chilly outside right now. Expect a colder night on the way. We were pretty cold this morning in the 30s and 40s, but a few degrees colder on both sides of the lake means a light freeze north shore. Now the dew points are still upper 30s and 40s. They will be coming down thanks to this northerly wind, 9 miles an hour. A weak front move through, and that's helping to reinforce the chilly and drier air that'll move in. And almost just as fast as the cold air arrives, we are going to start with a warm up. First though, let's get to the cold night. Dew points right now 30s and 40s. They will come down a bit more as dew points just to our north are in the lower 30s and even some 20s. That is an air mass that is still moving south along these northerly winds behind a very weak front. So steadily through the overnight, humidity will come down more, and that will allow our temperatures to drop into the lower 30s. Now, only expecting a light freeze and a short duration. If we hit 32, maybe 31 degrees for a few hours, not long before daybreak, that will be the peak time of when those temperatures will bottom out. But it also will be a struggle during the day tomorrow as highs will stay in the 50s. Still looking at 30s and 40s on Wednesday morning, but a little bit more cloud cover will prevent us from getting as cold. And I'm just optimistic, showing a little snow graphic here going into Christmas Day. It ain't happening. As a matter of fact, looking forward, we will be warmer, more humid, and I hate to even say warm. We'll be milder with high temperatures into the upper 60s toward the end of the week and right through Christmas Day, and rain at times, but this weekend and Christmas Day does not look to be a washout. First though, the next couple of days, another surge of cold air coming out of Canada has made its way and still making its way down to the Gulf Coast. So temperatures here will be getting a little bit colder during their overnight. Do you see the front, however? Not really down along the Gulf Coast. We've got that northerly wind in place, and that's helping to reinforce the cold, dry air. So the front moving on through, a lot of clear sky tomorrow morning, and then we'll start to see high clouds rolling in probably midday and certainly through the afternoon. A little more cloudiness as we get the day started early morning on Wednesday will probably prevent the temperatures from getting as cold. And notice we'll see some breaks in the clouds, but overall a cloudier pattern going toward the end of the week. Now by the weekend, we're going to be watching this Pacific storm system move toward the desert Southwest. It's going to park itself there. At that same time, we will have this southwesterly flow aloft, which starts creating instability and bringing us some rain chances back. Now, not looking to be a washout, and I will be honest, the models are not in great agreement with those rain chances going into the weekend and early next week. So hesitate on the percentages because they are likely going to change, but it also indicates not a complete deluge of rain, so we're not expecting huge rainfall amounts, nor are the rainfall coverage numbers looking to be quite as high. 40–50% for both Saturday, Sunday, and maybe down to 20–30% for Christmas Day. But here's Monday evening. While we may not have a lot of rainfall, we are still going to have this onshore wind, so the humidity will be up, and with those cooler temperatures still in place, again, highs only in the 60s, we may start leading to some fog as we head toward the weekend and next week. Not the type of weather I would hope for. This is what you'd hope for on Christmas Day. That would be gorgeous, but unfortunately not going to happen this year. We will begin our temperature warm up as we head toward the weekend, and again, some spotty to scattered showers this weekend and on Christmas Day.